Okay. CB04112T. This is an Alpine. It did come with a dimmer from the factory. However, the original one was dead. So I bought this one off of eBay. And the range is not great because there's no trim pot. But it's still okay, I guess. So when I got this, the light pull chain was broken, the dimmer was burned up, and it's a cardboard box control. I want to say, low speed capacitor was dead. No, it was the high speed capacitor that was dead. So, obviously I replaced all the broken parts. I still have the original van board. I'm going to replace the capacitor once I get a soldering iron. Then I can use it in another project. A good way you can tell this fan originally came with that dimmer is because the K4S, the actual hub, is deeper than usual K4S kits. There's one of these for sale on Marketplace right now in New York, and it has the same dimmer. Not sure why they did this. This is from 1988. This has a Samsung motor in it. Good way to tell is the harmonics. Sometimes you don't have to look at the faceplate. You can just tell by listening to it. It has the high-speed harmonics that started there. This came from, I think, Gettysburg Marketplace. Yeah, a good way to tell if this has a Samsung motor, if it's from the late 80s or 90s, the faceplate will be solid, and then it'll have four nickel-plated Phillips screws on it. If it was an Emerson, by this time they became vented, the faceplates, or the end bells, whatever you want to call them. That's as dim as this module will go, because again it does not have a trim pot. It's a decent range, it's just not as much as I'd like. So if I can find one with a trim pot, that'll go in here. It also has an on-off position, something that the modules that Casablanca used did not have. Anyway, there you go. There's my weird Slumber 3 Casablanca Alpine. Hope you enjoyed.